Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux with a robot operating system, which is attached by means of this band cable to this breadboard. And you can't see the Raspberry Pi 2 because it is stacked under a serial Pi Plus being connected to the Minicom serial monitor, serial connector. Last few times I have been trying to get some programs running with ROS, of course, and using Python. And for some reason things don't work the way they should. And so far I have found a number of reasons. And what they should do is control this motor with propeller, with a light on it. Have the phototransistor from fischertechnik send a signal through this voltage divider and let this LED burn at the same time as this motor, which is an XS motor, extra small I think, also from fischertechnik. Then upon when everything runs, upon pressing this button, that LED should burn, and when shining a light on this phototransistor and that light is burning, then that LED should start blinking. What works? What doesn't work? Well, when I on the VNC desktop start just let me get the command nicely, the publisher, because our score is already running, and then I see that for some reason the publisher doesn't, oh wait, that's a little mistake. I started the subscriber first, that doesn't work, the publisher has to be started first, and after that you can start the subscriber, and then things start working. This propeller, this LED, and then let's check if what I say indeed is right. Pressing the button, yes, a little LED starts burning, and then the big red LED starts burning as well. So that is with my first package, Robot Pi, publisher and subscriber. So that works, but the other stuff doesn't work, like mechatronics package that I started to write gives problems. It doesn't find an executable. And last time I started a motorics package. What's in the name? Just to address this motor, for example. And that had the same problem. And from that moment on, things well, seem to be different from the Robot Pi package. But why? Why doesn't it just run? Well, that's a good question, and I want to investigate that further. So, with that all set and tested, let's go find some on-screen stuff. Now, when I look at everything, I will first explain a little bit. Last time I introduced two different VNC desktops. I did that because I had an increasing problem with the speed. These video feeds, two cameras of course, two different ones. So let me show. This is one feed and this is another feed. And running them through the Raspberry Pi 2, despite its nice properties, slows down everything. So I decided to run them through the PC through which I use this virtual network computing stuff. And then when I have this on both sides like I always used to have, so software here, terminals here, then yeah, it is better to have two VNC instances, one or more probably 1 and 2. I changed that a bit, so let's go here. This is the serial. This is the serial terminal through Minicom application, and here you can see that it is actually just Ubuntu running on the Raspberry Pi 2. This is the IP address which I use to connect to the virtual desktop. And in order to get these VNCs nicely like they are, I did a change in a start script. So this is the start script that I use normally, and now I change them into VNC server :1 and then this geometry. This is the horizontal geometry, this is the vertical one. So now it's both 640. Vertically they're the same, so two virtual desktops. And also, well, you can see here how things are started and how it boots. And yes, welcome to Minicom, which is like I said, the terminal program, and it is to the connected to the computer via serial to USB converter, which forms then automatically TTY USB, in this case 0. Start in the kernel, and there you are. So, with that explained, let's take another look at how this works. Well, ROS core is running, publisher is running, subscriber is running, but that is all with the old package, first package RaspberryPi, and that all works. So with that said, let's see how the rest is going to do, because this is the old one, this is the latest one. And why doesn't it behave like it should? Because that's a big problem. Having everything the same, it shouldn't be a problem at all, and yet it does. It comes down to settings, but last time I did change the settings. So let's now first quit this one. You can see here, by the way, on the oscilloscope everything that works. So let's review that. Dark blue is this one, And keep in mind that you have the a slight delay in signaling. Anyway, this is the dark blue one here. Then this one doesn't do anything because the light isn't shining, so it's flat. Let's change that. So pressing the button, then you immediately see light blue, this one acting up as well, not acting up by responding. Then now you will see that the purple line starts working, blinking, that is. And last but not least, yellow one is for the propeller. Okay, that's set. Let's quit this one and this one. It's off. And let's once again see about the latest one. And I hate typing, so but this is mechatronics, and I need to run the motorics one. Can I find it? Can I find it? No, I cannot find it. Anyway, it should be in the same manner as this one, so let's just open a new window. Then source the settings. Now everything is set and should run. So motoric, that's the package, and then motoric, oh wait, is it called motoric or motorics? Motorics it is. So this is motorics underscore pub underscore and dot pi. Let's see how that behaves. Alright, okay, so how is the package called then? Motoric apparently. So motoric, and then motoric dot pub dot pi. Couldn't find executable. And the thing is now that I didn't realize that the package is called motoric and the package is and the pub is called motorics. Does that matter? Well, let's go here and let's find, okay, larger, right here, project motoric. All right, what's next? Catkin package. Well, how is it then in here? RaspberryPi. No, let's do it viewable only. Catkin package. Catkin depends. Would that be the culprit? Other catkin package. Alright, let's do this. So remove the comment and let's introduce all this. ROS CPP, ROS Pi std messages message underscore runtime. That could be a lifesaver, as in could be. Then VI package XML, motoric package. Yeah, well, here it says exec depend, whereas as we look here it says run depend. How does that matter? I have no clue yet. Anyway, exit, and now I have to go here. No, I have to go here and do run catkin make. And see whatever happens. If the uncommenting of the package run depends actually was the culprit, how could that be? Right, processing package, mechatronics. E. Aha. RaspberryPi, alright. So let's add it, and this one just as well. RaspberryPi. And then probably the other one as well, but we'll see about that. Alright. Compiling, probably getting a message again, not the same one. Yep. Catkin package depends on message runtime, and it should be included. So let's do that. These were to be expected. Let's go again. Whatever happens, happens. Most important fact, will I get? Not really. Now there is a point to be made. It says here a run dependency. This is an exec dependency. What is the difference? Why doesn't it make a difference let's go here. This message runtime, I need the earlier one. RaspberryPi as a run dependency. I did that. A run dependency for RaspberryPi. I made a run dependency on standard message. Why does it complain now about message runtime? What is the difference? So for these three it is the same. What's the difference with this one? Unclear to me. Important but unclear. And reading can be quite tough because here it says message runtime and I did have here MSDS runtime. So now I've changed both into message. Let's save it again and let's compile it again. Hopefully it will work this time. It seems so far so good. Well, let's quit this one, and then I have to go to directories back because I have to be in the root of the workspace to actually run things like this. And right now ouch, once again cannot find executable. So I have to, well, needless to say, it is not an executable. Nope. So whatever is going on, I still haven't found what I'm looking for. Great song, by the way, but apart from that, it's really funny. One directory back, and let's see once again in the package XML. And one thing that I wonder about is here, package format 2. Why is this package format 2? If I go to source robot pi and I check for, it says package. Why this? What's the difference? If I look for package format 2, what will I find online? That's a very good question. On the other hand, I created a package and this was created previously. Now if I look at the mechatronics package that I created, it has exactly the same. So one back here, it has exactly the same. And oh, here it says message generation, build depend. What does the other one have? So let's go here. Do I have message generation? No, I do not. On the other hand, message generation is something different than message runtime. So I'm not quite sure what to think of that. But I better add it then. So let's within this first thing check for message generation, which is, by the way, oh, that may be a point. Aha. It's a build depend. Alright, that's here. And then say message underscore generation. Alright, let's change that for the other one as well. So go here. And see here, I have to change it to an underscore. Once again, catkin make. Another debugging session, as it looks like. Will it work? Or won't it? No errors, but then again it didn't do that at first either. So let's go back to ROS run, motorics, wait for it, nothing. Alright. The mechatronics run. Well, it won't work. No, never mind. It doesn't work. So, I don't know yet. Debugging without a solution yet. So, couple of changes in the settings again, but unfortunately without a solution that I am looking for anyway. So what to do? Well, let's anyway make sure that I can run the existing software that does run. Starting the RaspberryPi publisher again, and starting the subscriber again, and there you go, the very first one with its own mysteries of 4 packages that refuse to run. So alright, this runs and the rest doesn't. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this episode and video, then please subscribe to my channel, give it thumbs up, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitter. If you do, please retweet, like, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. Much appreciated. Let me know what you think of it. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. Please see my website for more information. And this is obviously going to be continued. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.